Hello, my name is Valentina Valencia. How to promote digital transformation in Colombian medium-sized enterprise. The digital opportunity in Colombia is great, achieving greater economic growth, encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship, or creating more qualified jobs are the consequences that await the country its companies successfully move through digital transformation. For that, it is important that medium-sized companies begin to carry out the following activities. Focus the transformation in customer needs, not on the product. Change the mentality of us government, businessmen, academia, and individuals, in which we live in an era of exponential digital development that demands disruptive change in all business models, as well as in government, products, and cybers. Increase the digital culture within the company. Assemble a business idea basada on technologies modernization. Increase broad internet access to close the gaps in digital services, big data, cloud, use of cognitive intelligence, and other emerging technologies. Implement a strategic plan in the organization that entertains into a new, more profitable and competitive digital era in front of each market. Improve education and permanent training of human capital in the company responding effectively to demands for skills. Offer differentiating experience to your customers through the channels they use. However, the digital transformation is not simply to open a web page, be in social networks or scarce documents. Without a strategy and a change in organizational culture, it is impossible to approach this transformation. Thank you.